Hi, I'm Nathan from SPIKA, and this is the Drover 25 litre Pro Pack, designed and tested in Australia and New Zealand. The Drover 25 litre Pro Pack is the ideal hunting partner for single day trips. The extremely tough, technical and well thought out design allows you to take all the gear you need in for quick access. Dual main compartments feature two-way zippers with enough room to carry extra layers, camera gear, food, water and accessories. The floating air mesh harness promotes air circulation, while the durable waist belt and load stabilising frame allows bearing comfort. The Drover 25 is defined by its construction and core pack necessities, complete with rifle holder and rain cover. Features include hard-wearing external tie points, durable and reliable YKK zippers with large pull tabs, reinforced high-stress areas for any hunting style, multiple compartments, plenty of internal pockets, front stash pocket for quick access, a heavy-duty load stabilising frame with air mesh ventilation allowing airflow to keep you from sweating when you're hitting the hills, hydration bladder compatible, durable 500 denier DWR treated nylon body and reinforced base. This material is designed not to fail and is found on only the best outdoor and hunting gear. Industry-leading Duraflex hardware, a rain cover, and a rifle holder. The Drover 25 litre Day Pack. Its light, comfortable and thoughtful design make it the perfect hunting companion for any short trips regardless of the environment.